big news breaking in the tech and infrastructure world today. First up, we are celebrating a massive achievement for Dublin-based John Paul Construction as they officially take home the 2026 AWS Horizon Award. This prestigious honor recognizes their incredible work in international service expansion and their vital role in cementing Ireland as a global powerhouse for cloud infrastructure. CEO Liam Kenny and the entire team have proven exactly why they are leaders in the field, and we have all the details on how this partnership is shaping the future.
Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next, we're diving into a major breakthrough in the world of medicine. Oz has just launched Amazon Biodiscovery, an innovative AI-based application that is completely changing the game for drug design and testing. By allowing researchers to bridge the gap between computational biology and wet lab validation, this tool is set to slash development timelines and empower teams like the researchers at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center to accelerate life-saving discoveries like never before. We are keeping our eyes on the pharmaceutical sector as Amazon Biodiscovery continues to make waves globally. This platform is not just for tech experts. It is designed to let scientists without coding skills leverage powerful AI models to design, test, and refine antibody molecules with unprecedented speed. From seamless integration with lab partners like Ginkgo Bioworks to its no-code research environment, we are looking at a revolutionary shift in how the industry approaches early-stage drug development. Finally, get ready for a total transformation in how the cloud works. Oracle and Oz have officially teamed up to expand multi-cloud networking, a move that promises to give enterprises more flexibility and power than ever before. We are breaking down what this powerhouse collaboration means for the future of enterprise connectivity and digital infrastructure. Stay updated on these major stories by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that bell so you never miss an update. Ever wonder who actually builds the backbone of the internet? It is not just lines of code. It is massive, complex physical infrastructure. And today, we are looking at a true Irish success story that is proving exactly that. The 2026 AWS Horizon Award has officially been handed to Dublin-based giant John Paul Construction, and it is a massive deal for the industry. This is a firm that has been around since 1949, evolving from a local builder to an international powerhouse that now employs over 700 people across Ireland, the UK, and Europe. What makes this win special is that it is not just a trophy. It is a recognition of how they have helped cement Ireland's status as a global leader in cloud infrastructure. CEO Liam Kenny put it perfectly when he credited this milestone to a 12-year partnership with Oz, which helped them evolve into the technical contractor they are today. During a high-profile industry breakfast in Dublin, featuring leaders from the government and top-tier firms like KPMG, it became clear that this is about more than just one company. As AWS Ireland country lead Niamh Gallagher pointed out, the growth of the data center industry is creating a domino effect, pushing Irish engineering and construction firms to sharpen their expertise and compete on the global stage. Think about the scale here. With Oz supporting over 500 homegrown suppliers and keeping thousands of people employed, it is a masterclass in how tech investment revitalizes local economies. It is not just about servers, it is about local businesses becoming world-class specialists. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the builders behind our digital world, hit that subscribe button to keep up with how tech is transforming industries everywhere. After all, the next global leader might just be starting their journey in a place you least expect. Let us know in the comments, do you think the construction industry gets enough credit for the digital revolution? We want to hear your take. What if you could cut years off the drug discovery process just by breaking down the invisible wall between computer scientists and lab researchers? This is the core problem AWS is tackling with their brand new launch, Amazon Biodiscovery. Traditionally, drug research is a fragmented, manual nightmare. You have computational biology teams working in one digital silo, while bench scientists are stuck doing physical experiments in the lab. These two worlds rarely communicate effectively, leading to slow handovers and impossible reproducibility. Oz is stepping in to change that with an AI-powered, no-code application designed to unite these disciplines under one roof. Here's how it works. Instead of needing a background in coding, researchers can use an AI agent to navigate over 40 biology models, design experiments, and evaluate molecule candidates with ease. The real genius here is the integration with real-world partners like Ginkgo Bioworks and Twist Bioscience. You select your assays, get your cost estimates, and send candidates for testing, all within the same dashboard. Once the data flows back, it hits an experimental data registry, closing the loop so that your next AI prediction is smarter than the last one. It's not just a hypothetical tool, either. Oz already demoed this with the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, where they designed nearly 300,000 novel antibody molecules in weeks, a timeline that would have traditionally taken ages. This is lab-in-the-loop discovery, democratized. By removing the high barrier to entry for managing complex infrastructure, AWS is positioning itself to become the standard operating system for pharmaceutical R&D. In a world where speed in the early stages of drug development is everything, this platform represents a massive shift. It forces the industry to stop treating computational design and wet lab testing as two separate beasts and starts treating them as a single, continuous workflow. If you want to see how AI is physically reshaping the future of medicine, this is the launch to watch. Have you ever wondered if AI will truly revolutionize how we fight disease, or are we just making the paperwork faster? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into the tech changing our world. Because at the end of the day, the best code is the kind that saves lives. What if I told you that the months, or even years, spent in the early stages of drug discovery could be compressed into just a few weeks? It sounds like science fiction, but AWS is betting it is the future of pharma with their brand new launch, Amazon Biodiscovery. Traditionally, drug research is a fragmented manual mess. You have computational biologists staring at screens and bench scientists handling samples in the lab, with a clunky, error-prone handoff between them that acts like a bottleneck for innovation. Oz is looking to smash that wall down. Their new AI-based application isn't just another software tool. It is an integrated ecosystem that bridges the gap between digital simulation and physical reality. The real genius here is the no-code interface. You no longer need to be a software engineer to leverage powerful AI models. Scientists can jump into the platform, choose from over 40 biology models, and start designing molecules immediately. Whether it is antibody design or binding prediction, the AI agent acts as a guide, helping researchers set up experiments and iterate faster than ever before. But the magic doesn't stop at the simulation. Oz has integrated directly with major players like Ginkgo Bioworks and Twist Bioscience. This means you can run your digital experiment, select your candidates, and fire them off to a lab for real-world testing without ever leaving the application. Once those lab results come back, they are fed directly into the system, creating a continuous, self-improving loop of data. We are already seeing this in action. The Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center used the platform to design nearly 300,000 novel antibody molecules, pushing the top 100,000 candidates to testing in record time. It is a massive leap forward, especially for teams that previously lacked the massive infrastructure needed to bridge AI and wet lab work. As pharmaceutical giants and biotech startups scramble to shorten discovery life cycles, AWS is clearly positioning itself to become the backbone of this new era. If they can successfully standardize how we discover medicine, we might be looking at a total transformation of the industry. What do you think? Will AI-driven platforms like this truly democratize drug design, or are we just shifting the complexity from the bench to the cloud? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future. After all, the next breakthrough might just be an algorithm away. In a world where tech giants usually guard their territory like medieval kings, something massive just shifted. On April 16, 2026, Oracle and AWS officially announced they are joining forces to revolutionize multi-cloud networking. This is a huge deal because, for years, the cloud landscape felt like a collection of walled gardens. Companies were forced to pick a lane, either Oracle or Oz, and sticking to one often meant missing out on the unique strengths of the other. Now, this partnership effectively tears down those walls, allowing businesses to run their mission-critical workloads across both environments seamlessly. It's not just a technical tweak. It's a strategic pivot that acknowledges the reality of modern enterprise IT. Nobody wants to be locked into a single ecosystem anymore. By simplifying the networking hurdles that usually turn into a nightmare for data architects, these two titans are essentially saying that interoperability is the new currency of the cloud. This change is going to save IT departments countless hours of patching together fragile configurations. But what do you think? Is this the beginning of a truly unified cloud experience, or just another way to keep us trapped in a two-sided trap? Drop a comment below and let me know your take. If you found this update useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the shifting tides of big tech. At the end of the day, the companies that embrace this change aren't just surviving the cloud transition. They're the ones finally taking control of their own infrastructure.